the Adventure Travel Show podcast. I'm your host, Kit Parks. If you listen to this duplicate episode on active travel adventures, go ahead and turn this off. You've already heard it. But if not, please listen for an update on the Summer of Kit. I hope that this episode finds you and your family and friends safe and healthy. Most, if not all of our summer travel plans had to be postponed or altered beyond recognition, and I hope that you were able to make the best of it, presuming, of course, that you're even allowed outside to play at all. As you know, I sold my rental business early this summer, and since I'd purchased Sophie, my new-to-me converted Sprinter cargo van, and now camper van, I decided to take some me time and go on a road trip in Sophie. A few weeks into my road trip, both of my upcoming European adventures were postponed until fall of 2021. I was supposed to hike the Dolomites in Italy with Active Adventures in early September, and then scoot over to Croatia for a bike and boat tour with BikeTours.com. Because of the postponements, that meant that I wasn't under the gun to rush back home to get ready for my European trip, which allowed me for a really relaxing exploration of this country, or at least the Midwestern part of this country. I'm going to be covering my pandemic road trip in October. Speaking of October, one of my plans while I was on this road trip was to spend some time each day revamping the website and then producing some of the cool interviews that I already have in the can for fall release. What I forgot to consider since I was camping in remote areas is that I would really not only not have internet service, I'd rarely have cell service, so I didn't have my tools that I was able to get my work done. Thus, I ended up having a truly relaxing, non-work holiday. But like I said, I didn't get any of the production done on any of the new episodes, so that means that the Summer of Kit is going to extend through September so I can get the work done. The next new adventure is going to be released October 1st. I will resume my companion Adventure Travel Show podcast on the first Thursday of November, so I'm going to give myself an extra month to get that show done, just because there's a lot of back work done to put the show on, and I just want to do the best job I can for you. So October 1st for Active Travel Adventures, and November 5th, the first Thursday of November, for the companion Adventure Travel Show podcast. After this, everything's going to be back to the alternating shows like I did before. Every other Thursday, you're going to have each show. So one Thursday, it's going to be Active Travel Adventures. The next week, it'll be Adventure Travel Show. So make sure you subscribe to both so you don't miss any of the episodes. In the meantime, I'd love to hear about you and your summer. You can always reach me on the contact button at either website, ActiveTravelAdventures.com or AdventureTravelShowPodcast.com. These messages come directly to my inbox. I don't have the filter doesn't go to some other agency. It just comes to Kit. Okay, so just write me whatever you want to write, and I'll get it in my box. You can always write me directly at my email, kit@ActiveTravelAdventures.com, or reach out to me inside of our private Active Travel Adventures Facebook group. I appreciate you listening and your patience during the Summer of Kit. Until October 1st, this is Kit Parks. Adventure on!